If you're struggling to get burst mode working on your iPhone, I've got you covered. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, enable burst with volume up button. And for that, go to your settings app and tap on camera. Then turn on use volume up for burst. After that, go to your camera app and just press and hold the volume up button in photo mode to shoot a burst. Next, check if you're in photo mode. Burst mode only works in photo mode and not in portrait or video. So make sure you're on the right camera mode before trying it. Next, check your iPhone storage, and for that, go to your settings app and tap on general. Then go into iPhone storage and make sure you have enough space. And if nothing else works, try restarting your iPhone or checking for a software update. Sometimes a fresh reboot or the latest iOS fixes the issue. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.